In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shift event in Google Calendar. To get started, open Google Calendar in Chrome. Once the calendar loads, take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct day or week view for the schedule you want to update. This makes it much easier to place your shift accurately on the calendar grid. Next, find your starting shift time directly on the calendar layout page. On the main grid, click the time block where your shift begins. This opens a new event box right on the calendar, and this is where you'll begin entering the details for your shift. Be as precise as possible when selecting the start time so the event lines up correctly with your schedule. After that, type in your shift descriptor label. This is simply the name you want to give the event, such as night shift, morning shift, or any other clear label that helps you identify it quickly at a glance. Keeping the title short but specific is a good habit, especially if you use your calendar often and need to recognize events quickly. Once you've entered the shift name, look for the repeat settings. Click the drop-down that says "Does not repeat." This is the option that controls whether the shift happens only once or follows a repeating pattern. Even if you're not changing the repeat setting right away, opening this menu is the next important part of setting up the event correctly, because it gives you access to the recurrence options tied to your shift. As you go through this process, it helps to work slowly and confirm each selection before moving on. Google Calendar is designed to be quick and intuitive, but small details like the exact time block you click and the event title you enter can make a big difference in keeping your calendar organized. This simple workflow is especially useful if you're building a work schedule manually and want your calendar to stay clean, readable, and easy to manage. By opening Google Calendar in Chrome, selecting the correct start time on the calendar grid, entering a clear shift label, and accessing the Does Not Repeat menu, you're setting the foundation for an accurate calendar event. That's the full process for this part of creating a shift in Google Calendar. And once you've completed these actions, you'll be ready to continue refining the event as needed.